try out my COREEDGE Heated Jacket. It's a little travel on the go case for it as well. Makes it easy for packing. The jacket itself has some reflective details which make it more safe for wearing out when it's dark out. You'll get that reflective element, but super cute even just on its own. You've got little ties to tighten it around your head. You've got a good cuff on here. You can size it up. And then you're gonna actually place the battery pack that's going to heat the jacket itself inside of it. So I'm gonna just show how it looks on. With jacket is on, lots of great pockets within it. You've got your standard ones here. I do love that it's a zip pocket as well. So things are more secure than an open one. You've got one right at your chest as well. You can zip that closed. And then inside of it, this is where the power bank is gonna go. So you're gonna wanna pre-charge that up, then place it in here. That's what's gonna keep you nice and toasty warm. Got a bonus zipper here as well. This is great for like a wallet or gadgets, headphones, depending on what kind of activities you're up to wearing it. But super soft, nice shell within it, and very much like a flattering cut to it. How it is with the hood up as well. You can definitely kind of tuck yourself into it to keep you extra toasty warm. If it's super cold, here it is. If you tighten these up to not have any wind coming through, your battery will look like as it's charging up. You've got a few different connects on here. So this is the in-volt, which you will want to charge the whole device itself. And then these USB ports you could use potentially to charge your other devices as well. At the side here is where your power button will be. So when you're using it, once it's all charged up, you're gonna wanna make sure you turn that on. The side compartment here, and you'll find this little cord. So this has just a little cap on top, but it's the USB. This is what you're gonna plug into your power bank. Given it time to charge up, we're gonna hit the little side button to power it on, and then we're going to plug it in to my jacket. Sit back inside and zip it up. Honestly, it doesn't add really any kind of bulky look to the front. You can see just right there, maybe just the tiniest bit, and you start feeling the whole interior of the jacket starting to fill up with heat. So if you're somewhere super cold, this is gonna make such a difference on your outdoor adventures. Feeling super ready for those cold snow days, guys. Bye!